Hi, welcome to 3951 Nimita. This great 5-bedroom house is on over 1/3 of an acre. Let's take a look inside. The circular floor plan has lots of flexibility. The 5th bedroom's on the main, and the powder room is actually a full bath with a shower. This home has a great floor plan with an open kitchen and great room area, and I like the kitchen because there's an extra scullery area here and a walk-in pantry. There are 4 large bedrooms on the upper level, plus you've got this great media loft that's perfect for overflow, and there's a walk-in laundry on the 2nd level. This almost 3,000 square foot home has a 3-car garage. I usually don't fixate on garages, but this is one of the nicer ones I've seen. Let's be honest, it's hard to get a newer house with a really beautiful backyard, but this one has one. Beautiful fencing, play set, and mature trees. Thanks for touring this spotless home. I'm Jeff Franklin. Feel free to reach out for a personal tour.